Introducing the second generation SP series scanners. The dedicated day-to-day scanners that allow organisations to streamline their business processes and increase their organisational intelligence through digital transformation. The SP series deliver core functionality to meet essential day-to-day scanning needs, making them ideal for budget-conscious organisations or those taking their first steps towards structured scanning. The SP series compact design means it can fit into any office space, and it's quiet so it won't disturb others, making it perfect for day-to-day operations. Sophisticated automated capture routines are made simple using profile-driven operation. Alternatively, the one-button scanner interface also makes ad hoc scanning quick and easy, even when handling mixed batches. Integrating scanned information directly into process workflows gives staff time to focus on higher-value tasks. The SP series offers dependable reliability when scanning A4-size documents, allowing organisations to maintain high levels of efficiency. While new LAN connectivity allows a single scanner to serve multiple PCs, saving on valuable desk space, USB ports, and ultimately saving on costs. And with the SP series setup wizard, configuration is also straightforward, meaning low deployment costs. With the SP series, organisations benefit from the same Twain ISIS-compatible PaperStream software as our market-leading FI series. The PaperStream IP driver automatically cleans up images for documents that are wrinkled, soiled or patterned, to make them suitable for OCR processing. This allows PaperStream Capture to extract, utilise and release data at the touch of a button and convert the files into searchable PDFs or editable files such as Word, PowerPoint or Excel. And thanks to automatic document recognition technology, when a known document is recognised, PaperStream Capture will name, sort and distribute the scanned images and extracted data in the relevant predefined way. The second generation SP series scanners, a budget-conscious solution to meet essential day-to-day scanning needs, streamlining business processes, delivering organisational intelligence through digital transformation.